What's up, YouTube? This is Brian from GP Rod & Customs. Got a little Teach It Tuesday here for you today. What we're going to do is a little plastic repair on a 95 Impala armrest. So before we get to the plastic repair part, I'm going to repair the foam on it with a little bit of hot glue. While we're waiting for this to dry, the hot glue that I'm using, it's not your typical hot glue. It's not something you go to Hobby Lobby and get from there, or a hobby store. It is a high strength, high bond amber glue stick. It's kind of an OEM hot glue, believe it or not. A lot of factory dealers do use hot glue in the cars. Wires on headliners are glued to the headliner. They use hot glue. Jute on back of door panels is glued with hot glue. So it's a high strength, high bond. You can find it on Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little plastic repair on this door handle. This is the 95 Impala, so over the years of pulling on it, taking it on and off, as you can see, it has broken. The plastic is completely broken out of that area, so there's nothing to screw down to, nothing to hold the handle with. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of plastic, and I'm basically going to make an L-shaped piece of plastic that fits inside here, and I'm going to bond it to there and have it fold over here, much like this is. That way it gives a solid mounting point for another screw to go into, and then I'll fix this also with some panel bond. I don't want to add to the thickness of this because this sits right on top of the inside. So I'm just going to attach it like that, make it a flat piece. Now that it's all scuffed up, it's 3M 4240 Duramix is what it is. This is panel bond that we use. You can get it at your local body shop supplies. It's probably going to have to be a body shop supply company to get this at. You probably won't find it at a Home Depot, but you could probably find something similar to it at a Home Depot maybe. But this is very high strength panel bond. So as you saw me sand this piece and you saw me scuff the inside, that's one thing you want to do, is to make sure that the panel bond has something to bite to. If it doesn't have anything to bite to, then it's not going to stick very good. Basically, we're just going to set that in there just like so. And I'm just going to kind of hold on it for a minute. It doesn't take too long to dry, 10 minutes or so. So the next step we'll do is this piece is also cracked. So I'm going to show you how to plastic weld this crack back together. That way it becomes one again and it's not cracked. So we're going to do a little bit of plastic repair, plastic welding. These two pieces right here, the factory piece, I'm going to try to see if I can plastic weld it back together. That way it's not broken. you can see this piece is stuck pretty good with the panel bond that I used, but I'll also try to fill in that with a little bit of plastic also, just to make it a little bit stronger. So that's pretty much it. The plastic's been repaired, the piece has been added on there. It's pretty solid now compared to what it was. So I'll give it back to the installer, let him drill a hole, and then he can mount it on there. And that's that. So until next time, follow us, like us, subscribe, ring the bell, all that stuff. Up, down, side to side, in a circle. I don't know where they're all at, but always share the knowledge.